Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I'm going to share a wonderful solution from the reputed company. So I request everyone please like, share, and subscribe my channel because I'm unable to get monetization because I have not reached the requirement, that is 4,000 watching hours. So please, and here I'm going to share a screen now so that you can able to see properly. This is the screen. All right. So here is the wonderful query as well as solution. Okay. So first of all, I will explain you that you have to find the designation of the employee. Like Ram is there. Ram, where is Ram? Ram. So he is in TL. Okay. Suppose if I change this to Ravi, it has to come executive. Done. This is the thing you have to solve it. I will share the solution for this. Now, first of all, we have to check how many and where the is executive employee name is available in a data or not. For that reason, you have to use this one condition equal to select the whole table. Whole table. Right. This is the condition. So what I'll do here, I'll come back a little bit. Right. See, wherever it finds the Ravi, it will show you the true and remaining are all falses. I press F9 to evaluate the formula so that it will show us that the is it available or not. See, true is available. Okay, true is available means there is a Ravi in a data. Control Z. Now, what I'll do, see here, one thing, observe guys, here we need column wise data. Okay, if it is row wise, another method is there. If it is column wise, another method is there. So if it is a column wise. So what I'll do here, I'll multiply with column of whole table. In previous video, I explained you why I'm using this sort of function. Minus of column, I'm taking whole table, right? This one plus one. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll select this one and I will show you. First of all, press enter. Okay. Come back to here, F2. See. First of all, I'll select this one, so that you can able to see clearly. F9. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Control C. Here observe guys. This one, the condition F9. Right. So it will pick up the second column. If I highlight the whole thing and I press F9, 3. Okay, the true is available at third column. Right. So now what I'll do here, I want to bring the 3. See, Ravi is in third column. 1, 2, 3. Third column. So I have to bring that. F9. Again, I will show you. See. So what I'll do here, if I want to bring it out means you have to use a max function or some product. Anything it can work. Okay, so I'll use max. bring the maximum in this range. It's an array function. If you are using 2010, you have to use Control Shift and Enter. If it is not more than to say 65 2021 means you can use simply Enter. So it is shown. Now come back to this. Now we want to get the designation. I have to simply I'll make this as a column number, index of this. So automatically it can understand that index can understand that is it a column number or a row number. If you place anything, it will understand that. Okay, no need of mentioning that this is a row number and this is a column number. If you are taking a single range, means it can understand that you are picking the column number or a row number. So 3 is a column number. Now I close the parenthesis, end of the formula, and I press enter. If I change Ravi to Bindu, it has to come executive. See, Bindu is already here, so it comes under executive account. Sorry. Now, if you want the date, what you have to do? See, this is the designation, and we want the joining date. We found the executive. Now we have to find the joining date. It's very simple. F2 in place of column use row. Just now I said now it will understand that. Enter. Okay. I did something went wrong here. F2. Wait a minute. Let me check. Row number 5. Yes, it has to come. Yes. 1, 2. Okay. I have to mention index. This one date. I forgot to mention the dates here. Now I'll mention the dates here. It's already designation is there, for that it's showing error. Now I'll mention this joining date and convert this joining date into short date like this. So I'll use this predefined short date. Now you can see the Bindu joined in 18th May 2023. If I change here to any name like Raju, okay, designation will change to executive and the joining date will change to 0205 Rajuna 0507 July 5th 2021. Enter. Raju is in TL and joining date is 0507 2021. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. And I'm mentioning my Telegram group, WhatsApp channel. So please follow my WhatsApp channel. If you want to join in Telegram, you can join. And any more things to know, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.